Little update on this laser. This is the first time charging it. So it was on red and it turned green, so that's good. Looks like it's charged. So it doesn't give a percentage, but we'll go ahead and keep it charged up. Not like I use it a lot, but I guess I should have some type of reminder on my phone to charge it up. Maybe it should last between tires. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think I should give myself a reminder on my calendar to keep this charged up? We still, I don't know. I mean, this is magnetic, and I got this waterproof tape here, and it seems to be holding. I need the hose didn't fit. I really needed to get a drill through here, but I mean, if it's holding, it's holding. I mean, it's not moving that much. I mean, it's not like this machine, it's not like you can bump it. It's in a position where, you're not going to be able to bump it really, because this is kind of like in a way, and I don't know. Just a quick update on that.